Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable voice memos location-based naming on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Voice Memos. Then in here, go to the Voice Memos Settings section and tap on Location-Based Naming. Tapping on the toggle button will allow you to switch it off or turn it on. So here in my locations settings, you can see at the moment I have choose while using the app, and I can also choose never. When I choose never, down here you still can turn on or turn off location-based naming. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.